All right, so here's our GoPro 13 Black Hero. And to turn it on, we're just going to come to the side here where it says 13 Black. Press on it, hold, it comes on. And you're going to notice you've got your screen here, and it shows you, all your pertinent information. And you also have your front screen, okay? So if you want to turn your front screen off, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And it will save on the battery because you won't be burning through this front screen. So what you do to do that is you're going to swipe down like that. And it's going to bring you to this page. And you're going to come over here to the left-hand bottom, press on that. And you're just going to go ahead and click on this part here. And then you're going to hit your check mark. And then if I flip it over, the screen's off. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Peace out.